What up, you guys? I'm back with another video. If you don't know who I am Nando. Welcome to another video. Today's video is actually a yummy nacho chicken with beans mukbang. So if you don't know who I am Nando. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. On my way to 2K. Let's get it. But other than that, always remember, be you, do you, stay you, no matter what. You the one that live your dreams and manifest them and bring them to life. Oh my goodness, I'm out of breath since I ran downstairs. But we're gonna get into this. So fresh. Ooh, look at this is good. I like these nachos because they don't throw so much cheese. They just throw the right amount because I'm not a big fan of cheese. So, this is good. Hey, take a bite. Take a big bite. Top it off with some sauce. Oh, yeah. This sauce is really good, y'all. Like, really good. Look. Ooh, it's like that. You know the dip, the chip with the dip, the salsa? It's like that. These nachos are so good, look you guys. She gave it to me because she didn't want it, so I was like, I'll take it. Pretty good. It's decent. Yo, today, these beans got flavor. Really good. Y'all, this is so good. I just want to say, I've been so busy for the past 2 days. I've been doing non-stop reading, had class, Zoom. School's getting harder, y'all. Like, harder than what I expected. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? In order to pass, so I gotta do, excuse me, what I gotta do. I'm getting full, y'all. I got all this left. I'm gonna take this last bite and I'm done. Cheers. Alrighty, y'all. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, smack the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. On the road to 2K. Other than that, I'm gonna catch you on another video. Always remember, be you, do you, stay you, no matter what. I love you, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.